Hi guys, so this is a solution for human-elephant conflict. So what has happened is the elephants have lost the habitats they live in. There is a lack of food and water for elephants, and elephants are pretty smart. So what they do is they know they have easy access to food in the villages, so they come and raid the crops, and there is a conflict between the humans and the elephants. In Sri Lanka, we have already implemented electric fences which didn't really work well because elephants jump over the fences. They come and raid the crops when the fences are not working, and it's very expensive and hard to maintain. Other countries have implemented stuff like GPS tracking collars, alarms to warn the villagers, but they haven't worked very well either because elephants will always keep on coming back. They're smart, they know how to work their way through it. So we have come up with a simple solution that works, where we assign a dedicated area for the elephants assigned by the government, and we need to make sure that elephants have access to food and water in this area, and this can be done slowly through the growth of vegetation, providing them with all our food waste and ensuring water is there. And as long as elephants are happy, they're gonna be less destructive and they're less likely going to come and raid the crops. And in order to make sure they stay away from the villages, and coming to villages and attacking is an unpleasant task, we can implement this same thing that has been implemented in countries like Africa and Kenya, where you implement beehives around the crops. So we can replace our already existing electric fences with these beehive fences, where the two layers are beehive fences, and the third one can be a seismic sensor. This seismic sensor detects the vibrations of the elephant, like the presence of the elephant, and it can be used to sound alarm to warn the villagers. And in order to further confirm the presence of an elephant, we can use a cheap Chinese camera, as cheap as 6,000 rupees, and use it to confirm the presence of an elephant and send a SMS alert for the villagers. And to prevent the death of elephants through train accidents, we can use a high quality infrared sensor that detects long distance, and this can detect elephants, and the train can slow down or either stop in the presence of elephant. And in order to ensure that this succeeds, the key is we need to make sure elephants are happy where they are, and coming and raiding the crops is an unpleasant task, and that the villagers don't go and build houses and try to reduce the interactions of elephants as much as possible. And thank you.